Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to jmfarmandcattle. So today this morning, I am waiting on a car. My windows are foggy. It is cold out. I don't even know what it is. There's a little bit of frost on the ground actually. We are supposed to be getting cold weather, but we have the last couple days. It's kind of been rainy, so we haven't done a whole lot of harvest just because it's been so wet. But we're hauling into our bins right now with corn. It's 37. That's cold for right now. But it's supposed to get to 70 today, but yesterday it's supposed to get to like 67, never did get there. We got a lot of the fence done on the new feedlot. Yesterday I did a bunch of welding. I didn't get any video of that. I'll probably video the morning. I'll probably video the new fence whenever we get to that. The second pin, I should say. But right now we're heading down to go hook up the stock trailer, and then we are gonna go load up my last load of fall calvers at the pasture and bring them back home because they're gonna start calving any day now. So anyways, we're gonna get rolling. Then I gotta run to town and take care of some electricity issues and try and get natural gas to our house because we have no heat. And we woke up this morning, it was 59, which it's manageable, but it's getting there. We're supposed to get snow and freeze on Thursday, and I'm really hoping that misses because there's soybeans out, there's corn out. You know, I mean, we're down to soybeans, but I feel for all the farmers that aren't, that wouldn't be good. So hopefully that don't happen, and we'll get rolling. Yeah. Last year we had a couple maniacs. Bus. Bus. Up. Come on, boss. Can't see. Come on, boss. Up. 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 Ah, up. 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 You grabbed it good. Up. 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 Can you lift that deal? Alright, so we're back in the field. Dad did a swath, and then he had to go because we're hauling corn out, and the truck driver that was hauling corn out didn't know how to open the bin, so he went over there to do that. I just got back from town, So I'm going to turn the cool on because it's getting toasty out already. I'm going to dump in the grain cart and then I'm going to go down to the other end empty and then pick back, try and get rolling. You gotta have the flag. Oh, it's gonna be one of them days, guys. So now we're having a mass flow sensor problem, which basically means that it's not showing bushel an acre and it's not showing moisture and it's just not showing that it's reading right. And then on top of that, our GPS systems are glitching out again. So this GPS, I mean, it records, yes, it drives the combine and tells you where to go, whatever. But more than that, what it does is it records the field, it records the bushel an acre, how many acres, it has our clients, our farms, our field numbers, crop season, and then we can put all that into the computer and go back through this winter and look over everything and then make prescriptions for next year on how the crop did. Well, last year we had a problem where it kept glitching out and we lost half of our data. Well, that same problem just happened now because we have no clients, no fields, no nothing. We can't do anything with it. And I don't know what John Deere's fault is here, but there's definitely an issue. And so everything, like all of our soybean harvest and our soybean, our corn harvest that we did, everything we did this year so far has failed and we lost all the data on it, and it's just really aggravating. So I don't know what John Deere's whole system is here, but they really need to get it figured out. They told us nothing was wrong. Well, clearly something's wrong. Well, we are on the last pass right now, this whole field. GPS is still not working, but we got the mass flow sensor working. We had to climb up in there and kind of clean out underneath of it. I don't know what's going on with that. I think something's wrong. That's the 4th or 5th time this year we had to clean that. My uncle's supposed to be bringing the memory stick so we can reload the GPS with all of our fields, and we'll be doing that when we get to the next field probably. We're gonna get to this end, and then this whole field's done, then we're gonna move on to the next.
Go down and then catch me on this west side.
Alright.
I wonder if Dennis heard the news about 9 o'clock. I just seen it myself. Oh, okay.
Elevators are open till 9 o'clock tonight. Why? I don't know. Should I be happy about it? I don't know. Are we gonna run that late? I don't know. I really have no idea, but elevators are open till 9 o'clock tonight, which is weird because they're normally open till 7. I think they're just staying open so farmers can get something done before the weather hits, like soybeans. Woo! Gotta walk around, stretch the legs. Waiting on the truck to get here. Grain cart's full. He's going down empty. He's gonna pick back, that way he can fill the truck when he gets here. We're short on trucks. If anybody needs a trucking job, come on down. Just kidding. Well, kind of. See how full. Nice and full. Oh, some days we just need a bigger grain cart. Or another one. I think this is a 875 or something like that. It's a pretty good size, but you know, when you can put over 1,000 bushel on a semi, well, then it'd be nice to have over 1,000 bushel grain cart. And sometimes it'd just be nice to have another tractor and grain cart, but then that requires another guy. I don't know. You know why I love finding leftover corn? Because when you're hungry, you can snack on it. Tasty. Gotta run out and count some rows because we don't have GPS yet. So I gotta go count rows for my uncle so he knows which the right one to take. And I'm out of shape and I shouldn't be running because I'm fat. Now the problem is if it's off, my fault. Starting to get dark out. I wonder where the lights are. Shaboom. All the lights are on. Well, we're on the last round for tonight. We just filled the last truck and it ain't going to the elevator anymore. It's a little after 8:30 right now, so it ain't going to make it there anyways. And then my dad's on the way back with the last empty truck. So we got a little bit in the grain cart now, then we got one more round, and then that truck will be full. And then we'll have 2 trucks full for morning right away when they open. I think they open at 7.
You must have did a good job planting that, Jesse, because you planted that half, right?
Yeah, I did.
Yep, that turned out really good.
No, good deal.
bit more, and then you can hit me. I can give you some going south.
Professional landscapers and homeowners alike have relied on Whistler turf equipment to provide features such as Whistler's patented smooth track steering.
Well, that's it, guys. That's all I got for today. We are done. I'm gonna head home, eat some supper, and I'll be back at it tomorrow. So if you guys like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Check out the other videos. We got a lot going on. We got a busy harvest, and basically it just feels like it's just getting started because we are now full swing. So it's gonna be a long week until the snow hits, that is. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Also, don't forget, if you guys want any t-shirts or JM Farm and Cattle t-shirts, sweatshirts, long sleeves, check out the link in the description down below where it says merchandise. You guys can order it off of there, and it will be within about a week and a half. You guys will have your order. So check it out if you're interested in that. Thanks, guys.